G'day, how you going? It's Mark Barrett. First up, on behalf of my partner Paul Prissy, I'd like to shoot you a huge thanks for stopping by and checking out our brand new product 20-minute results, okay? Obviously, I'm sure you've got a ton of emails to come over and see what we're doing here today, so let's just cut straight to the chase, okay? So basically, as you would know probably by now, Paul and myself create a lot of products, okay, and a lot of methods. We teach people a lot of different ways to make a lot of money online, okay? And we're very successful at that. And as such, we have quite an amount of customers, and as you can expect, we get quite a lot of questions and quite a lot of customer feedback, okay? And what we're finding very overwhelmingly is that a lot of people are struggling to still make it anywhere with affiliate marketing, okay, the general type of affiliate marketing. Now, when you think about it, there's quite a few reasons why that is. I mean, firstly, you've got to be able to build a target audience, a list, a traffic source, whatever that is. Secondly, you've got to get that target audience to know, like, and trust you enough to jump over to a page and purchase something you're recommending. And then there's the third part. The really difficult part is you actually need someone to physically enter in their credit card details or PayPal or whatever it is and make an actual purchase for you to get paid, okay? So when you start stacking all of that up, it's not really that easy for the average person to get started in affiliate marketing, okay? So naturally, I was discussing this with Paul, and I was like, mate, what can we do? What can we do to take this away, take this problem away from the market, okay? What have we got out there? You're my genius. What else can we do? And he's like, Mark, how about a method where you never have to make a sale per se, to make money? And I was like, mate, that sounds pretty fantastic to me. What do you got? He's like, well, firstly, the first thing you're going to think, this has nothing to do with CPA, okay? You can use 100% free traffic and you can get going right now, okay? And the best part, it only takes just 20 minutes a day. I was like, right, mate, talk to me about it. So Paul then went on to show me a method that he's been using, okay, that literally takes care of the problem of needing people to make a purchase or buy anything for you to make money, okay? Basically, this is easy, scalable. You can take it as far as you want to go. As a matter of fact, Paul's done over $250,000 in just 12 months with this. So that tells you that we're not talking about pocket change here. And it's a very, very scalable business, okay? Now, one thing that was important to me, the fact that Paul mentions it takes just 20 minutes a day, okay? Look, for me, I have 3 children, run a fairly successful company, a lot of commitments, the same as what you do, okay? I know you've got job commitments, family commitments, weekend stuff, everything that's got to be done. You don't need to be sitting at the computer until, midnight, early hours of the morning when you've got to get up and do stuff the next day. I mean, at the end of the day, we all got into this business to live the internet lifestyle and have passive money rolling in around the clock without too much maintenance required. And 20 minutes per day, that's my type of method, okay? So basically, we went about, right, Paul dove in and created a heap of training videos, so very easy to follow the way that Paul does. He has a very great way of teaching people how to do stuff, okay? Very simple, easy enough for anybody to follow, and he will show you step by step a case study of exactly what he's doing, why he does it, why you need to do it, and how you can replicate it and see the exact same success he can, okay? So very, very easy training, easy for anybody to follow, okay? So look, if you find that you've been struggling with anything, whether it be affiliate marketing, any type of method, and you're still, struggling to make any sales, it's going to be one of 2 problems. It's either traffic or conversions, and this takes out both of those problems, okay? That eliminates both of those problems, and away you go, all right? So if that sounds like something you'd be very interested in, you're intrigued to see what we've got, then I invite you to hit the buy now button below, jump in and check it out, because I know you won't be disappointed. And look, Paul and myself always carry 100%, no questions asked, 30-day money-back guarantee, okay? So if you get in and for whatever reason, you don't like the training, you don't like the videos, you don't like anything about it, just shoot an email to our support desk and we'll refund your money, okay? No questions asked. So if you're not happy, we simply do not want your money. So with that being said, if you're looking for something that's completely different, brand new, you've never seen before, don't need to convince anybody to buy anything to make an income, then I highly suggest that you jump in, check this out, because you're certainly going to love it. See you in there.